Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Rankmath Pro plugin for free. I said it's for free. Let's dive into the video. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. First thing you need to do is to go to this site gplson.com. When you got there, make sure you will find Rankmath Pro. This is it. If you can't see it, if you can't find it here, come here and search it, then you can find it. Click add to cart, then click on checkout. After that, you have to fill your name, all your details. Then this is where I'm going. To get it for free, you can see it is $5. To get it for free, you will have to enter a coupon code. I will put the coupon code in the description below. You can find it there. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like. This is a coupon code. Apply. This is wow. You can see. This is wow. You can see it has already changed to zero minus $5.59. Then you can place the order and you got your free Rankmath Pro plugin. And don't forget, it's a plugin, not a theme. It's a plugin. You can install it as a plugin, not a theme. Come here, click here to download it and save and install on your WordPress website. Bye. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks.